Let's see what happens, okay? The price is fluctuating, right? The price is fluctuating like crazy. You know why? I've warned you that the ADX is an indicator of trend strength, right? If it's a strong downtrend like this, don't forget that this technique is about finding reversal points to make a profit. Therefore, a system that is adept during swing trading will lose during trending periods. When we trade, it's during swing trading. It's a swing trading system. During trending periods, we can refrain from trading. How? By using the ADX. Filter out that this period has a trend, so we won't trade, see? If we trade without using the ADX filter as I've taught, I guarantee it will fail for sure, either by stop loss or dragging on. And if someone doesn't have an SL, I guarantee the account will blow up, but if you use the ADX filter, as I've taught in this clip, this problem won't occur, or if it does, it will be very minimal. You'll get stats and profits as tested at the beginning of the clip. If you're looking for a simple and powerful Forex trading strategy and enjoy a systematic approach, today I have a special system to recommend as usual. For today's system, I will only use the Bollinger Bands combined with the ADX. From the test results, it can achieve over 600% profit from 2023 to 2025, unbelievably. As always, you don't have to believe me, but believe in the statistics. Let's take a look at the full 2-year historical statistics of this system, and then we'll delve into the trading method. And if you like videos like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss out on great videos in the next episode, or free techniques via Line at the Cherry Tian School, which is currently displayed on the screen. If you're ready, let's go. What happened over the past 2 years? First, I must inform you that I tested this system on the EU loan graph with a 4-hour time frame on the Tickmill broker graph. This broker has an FC license, the #1 license in the world. Therefore, regarding the principal amount that you deposit or any deposits and withdrawals, everything is guaranteed to be completely transparent. Additionally, the commission fees are very low, so please consider Tickmill broker, which I primarily use as well. In the year 2000, up to the year 2025, the equity curve is steep like this again. In the style of Changjiang Trade School, I use a per trade percentage of 5% with an R of 1.5 times. The win rate is 66.67% with a total profit of 610%. So if you deposit $10,000 after 2 years trading like this with a 5% risk, you would gain an additional $61,000. There were a total of 63 trades with 42 wins and 21 losses. The profit factor is 3. The maximum drawdown is observed to be only 9.75%, which is very low, not even reaching 10%. Therefore, this system can be considered a low-risk system that can generate very high profits. For anyone who wants to use it to create a bot, apply it to fund exams, or trade in any way, I highly recommend this system with all my heart. It involves ADH combined with Bollinger Bands. As for how to trade and set up the screen, let's continue watching. Today, I have good news for traders who already have an account with Tickmill Broker or are considering opening one. Champion Vintage Crew has partnered with Tickmill Broker to launch the AI Master Signal Quality Trading Signal Room, which you can use for free. It provides real-time trading signals covering both the gold and Forex markets using the latest AI version that has been tested in real markets for over 5 years, generating a total profit of over 1,000%. Joining is very easy. Simply open an account with another broker through the link below the video, deposit $700, and fill out the form to join the signal room. After that, once the team has verified, you will be invited to the room immediately. Don't wait too long. Opportunities like this don't come often. AI Master Signal, the trading assistant of the future, is accessible to you for free. This refers to buying, all right? The first tool I will use is the Bollinger Bands, okay? Friends can set the values according to me. Brother Viet suggests using 20, all right? The rest remains the same. No need to adjust anything. As for the Bollinger Bands, there are the upper band, middle band, and lower band. You will notice from the image in this episode, there is no middle band because we won't be using it. We will only use the upper and lower bands. For the second personal tool, it's the ADX. If anyone doesn't know it, you can search for it. Its full name is Average Directional Index. All right? As for how to use it, first I need to quickly inform you that the ADX is an indicator of trend strength, all right? Simply put, it's like pressing the accelerator. You will notice that if the trend is strongly downward like this, you will see that the ADX will also increase as it measures strength, not direction. I need to clarify this first. In this strong downward shot, did you notice? The ADX has values ranging from 0 to 100. It's like someone pressing the accelerator. Hey, all right? AF will soar to the highest point. But if at any point there is a strong upward movement, like a sudden surge, with a strong trend like this, the ADX will also rise, or the score will increase. If you look at the score here, it will keep rising like 31, 37, 38, 40, 43, 44, 45, 46. See? Following the trend here. But if at any point there is a sideways period, you can see that it's a sideways range, then it will, BTS, the value will gradually decrease, like 16, 15, 13, 10, 42, see? It's used for selection to see where there is a trend or where there is a sideways period very well for the ADX. Like this, when it's strong, see? The ADX rises accordingly, but if there's a sideways period, the ATS will decrease, decrease, decrease. It's like no one is pressing the car's accelerator or the trend has lost its strength, so the ADS value will decrease. This is how to use it, where it comes from, of the ADX. I hope everyone understands. If anyone still doesn't understand, try searching more on YouTube. I think many people have explained it well, and in detail for the ADX. As for us, let's just set the values first. I use the standard period value for ADS, which is ADF 14, and I have a dividing line, which is the 30 level set. Why is this here? It's to indicate whether the trend is strong or not. For example, earlier it was sideways, right? So if the AF is below 30, I consider it sideways. But if the ATX, during a strong downtrend like this, the ATS breaks through 30, I consider that there is a trend. This is using the criterion of 30 to divide whether it's a strong uptrend or downtrend or just sideways. Now, let's look at the method for trading in an uptrend. It's easy to follow with 4 steps that can help you gain 600% profit, just like I demonstrated in the beginning of the clip. Let's take a look. If you can, take notes. Remember it, but make sure not to remember it incorrectly. Let's go. Step 1, I'll show you in an uptrend example first. The first thing is, I will wait for a candlestick to break the lower Bollinger Band. This is very basic. The term break here doesn't mean just touching it, it must close below it as well. This candlestick shows that it has entered step 1 successfully, which is the break. This break must close below the lower Bollinger Band as well. This is step 1, very simple. I believe everyone can follow this. Step 2, check the ADX. Filter, I want the ADX to be below 30 on the candlestick that breaks. Look here, the ADX is at 26.2 for this candlestick. Therefore, this filter passes. Now, why should the ADX be below 30? I'll explain and provide examples, so watch until the end. If you don't watch until the end, you'll miss out. The third step, I will wait for a candlestick that closes above the lower Bollinger Band, or a bullish candlestick, indicating buying pressure. Once the buying pressure returns, I expect the price to rise in the next step. Therefore, this is step 3. This is the step where you can place an order entering at the closing price of the bullish candlestick. Set the stop loss at 1.5 times below the swing low, as usual, just to be safe. 1.55. Wow, hold on. The price has already moved up to the take profit point. This is timely, isn't it? Easy, right? Here's another example. Let's look at a day when it breaks above or below. Look at many examples to gain a better understanding here. You can see that there is a break below and the ADX is lower, below 30. The 30 is the white middle line here. You can see that it's lower, indicating that it's trading in a sideways range. Next, wait for the green candle that buying back and closing higher than the level or the band, or similar to the lower Bollinger Band. Is it correct now? Close lower here, then close higher, because it will close higher. You can place an order as usual by opening a buy position and placing the stop loss at the swing low, allowing for a small buffer. The risk-reward ratio is at 1.5 times. This is another example. Every system has its weaknesses, but I will teach you how to eliminate or cover those weaknesses as much as possible by using the ADX filter that I taught today. Let's see what happens if you don't use the ADX filter as I instructed. There is a break below the lower Bollinger Band, And if you place an order here, there is a break below the lower Bollinger Band. If you open a buy position here, because this candle is higher than the lower band, right? It might close higher and then you enter according to the system. Set the stop loss at what? The swing low below, set it at 1.5 times, set it like this, and let's see what happens. The price is fluctuating. The price is fluctuating like crazy. Why is that? I've warned you that ADX is an indicator of trend strength, right? If it's a strong downtrend like this, don't forget that this technique is about finding reversal points to make a profit. Therefore, a system that is adept during swing trading will lose out during trending periods. We trade during swing trading periods with a swing trading system. During trending periods, we can refrain from trading by using ADX. To filter out whether there is a trend, during this period, we won't trade, see? If we trade without using the ADX filter as I taught, I guarantee it will fail for sure, with stop losses being hit continuously. And if someone doesn't have a stop loss, I guarantee the account will blow up. But if you use the ADX filter as I taught in this clip, this problem will not occur, or if it does, it will be very minimal. You will get statistics and profits as per the tests conducted at the beginning of the clip. In a downtrend is the opposite of an uptrend. So the first step in a downtrend or when trading a sell position is that there must be a break of the candlestick, breaking and closing above the upper Bollinger Band, like this. This is the first step. So once the first step has occurred, in the case of trading a sell position, we need to check the ADX filter as well. Check if the candlestick is below 30. This candlestick is at 16. To be sure, check it. The candlestick where we will place the order, or the candlestick that closes below the Bollinger Band, this one, if it's a red candlestick, using the ADX filter to screen it would be very good. Here you can see that it's at 18, the ADX filter. Therefore, here you can trade because we are not in a trending period. We are in a sideways market, which gives us a high chance of making a profit from swing trading. So, you can open a sell position here, as previously taught. Place the stop loss above the recent high with a risk-reward ratio of 1.5 times. Here, it's all wrapped up. Did you manage to finish in time? While friends see that it's wrapped up here, right? Let me show you a slow motion replay, just a little rewind. It's wrapped up here, but what's the observation? The candlestick price has also broken the lower verge band. Therefore, you have to count step 1 again, right? Count step 1, count the break of the cycle, prepare to buy, but check the day filter first. Check if we are in an advantageous period or not, in a sideways period. The ADF is at 2091 below 30, so there's a chance. Anticipate the candlestick that breaks back in and then closes as a green candle. Yeah? If it closes above the band, this candlestick can be used to open a buy position right away. This is separate now. The sell position has been closed with a red candlestick. However, the ADX indicates that it's in a sideways phase. We have the opportunity to profit from trading again as it enters our gap or meets our conditions. We can place another order, perhaps 1.5 times. Here, we take profit before it goes down. Can we take profit in time? It's not difficult. And when the market has a trend, we let go and stop trading. Okay? Therefore, successful traders don't trade all the time. It depends on whether we know the timing or not. Now, quickly here, I see again, break, break, break like this. See, it breaks above. And what about the def filter? 13, 12, 13 like this. There's no trend at all. It's in a swing trading advantage. And there's a red bar here, see? It closes lower, so you can sell down. HL is placed above. RR is 1 to 4. But I've optimized it to be at 1.5 times. If you want to extend further, you can do it. Try to optimize it well. I hope you get it. Here, I see an example with a lot of profit. Here, it's like it breaks the lower band and the ADX is 26 and this green bar closes back, see? The ADX is 26.12. So here, you can enter in the afternoon and take profit. See here? The swing trading advantage. I want you to review it well, yeah? This episode has a lot of profit, 600% in 2 years. I've done testing and there are points to notify. Using the dev filter helps a lot, but it won't help at all if you don't test it further. It's now your responsibility. If you get good results, don't forget to share them under this video. And if you want me to bring any techniques or indicators to join in any product, don't forget to comment under this video as well. If you have any questions about Forex trading, you can add the line ID shown on the screen right now. I hope this episode is highly beneficial to you. If you're still confused after watching, I recommend watching it repeatedly. If you have any issues, feel free to ask via line at any time. For today, I would like to take my leave now. See you again in the next episode. That'll be fun. There are plenty more great systems to come. Goodbye.